Hello, friends. Today I want to share a beautiful story. The story that has really changed my life, that touched my heart deeply. A few years ago, I read a book named You Can Win by Shiv Khera. At the beginning of the book, there was a story of a balloon seller. There was a man who sold balloons for his living. He had many colored balloons red, blue, yellow, green, all colors. Whenever his sales went down, he would take one balloon, fill it with helium gas, and then release it into the sky. When the children saw that balloon flying high, they became excited. They came running by to buy the same color balloons, and his sales went up again. One day, he was standing near a park. Suddenly, he felt someone pulling his jacket from behind. When he turned around, he saw a small 6-year-old boy, a sweet, innocent child. The balloon seller smiled and said, "Yes, my child, what can I do for you? What do you want?" The boy looked up and asked, "Uncle, can a black colored balloon also fly?" The balloon seller looked at the child lovingly and said, "My son, listen it. The balloon doesn't fly because of its color. It flies because of what is inside it." Friends, this one line can change your life too. It doesn't matter what your color, it doesn't matter what your clothes are and your home is. It doesn't matter how much money you have or how educated your parents are. All these are just like the color of the balloons. What really matters is what is inside you, your faith, your thoughts, your attitude, your courage. And this is what makes you rise in your personal life. Remember this: if your clothes are torn, you can buy new ones. If your house breaks, you can build another one. If your things are lost, you can get them again and again. But this is one life that your God has given you. You will never get it again. How you live it, how you feel it, and how you grow through it, that decides your success, your joy, your fulfillment. And there's a beautiful quote that says, this quote in Hindi, and you must have heard it, but I love it, so I'm going to share it with you. कि मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. My dear friends, don't worry about your background. Don't worry about your past. Just believe in yourself and your inner power that your God has given you. Feel the strength that is already inside you, because it's not the color of the balloon that makes it rise. It's what's inside that takes it to the sky. You are so powerful. You are unlimited. Believe it and fly high.